Welcome to the video session of 5G technology. This video lecture covers the topics of key requirements, use cases, and enablers of 5G technology. 5G is the fifth generation of mobile communication technology. It is the latest advancement in wireless communication technology designated to significantly enhance the speed, responsiveness, and connectivity of wireless networks. Building upon the capabilities of 4G long-term evolution, 5G offers ultra-fast data rate, low latency, massive devices connectivity, and improved reliability, making it a key enabler of next generation applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, telemedicine, and the Internet of Things. This shows the key requirements of 5G technology. This, according to the standard ITU, the 5G, also called as IMT 2020 standard. So the key requirements are enhanced devices and the network capabilities, the faster data rate up to 20 Gbps peak data rate, and ultra low latency, that is less than 1 millisecond, low energy consumption for the devices, support for massive number of connected devices, broad bandwidth availability across multiple frequency bands. All these parameters shows the key capabilities of 5G, and it is considered the one of the quantitative parameter. This shows the target of IMT 2020. The peak data rate is one of the important parameter of 5G requirement. The peak data rate means maximum achievable data rate under ideal condition. The target of IMT 2020 standard is 20 Gbps for downlink and 10 Gbps for uplink. Next one is user experienced data rate. That is the average data rate experienced by a typical user in real world scenario. The expected quantity is 100 Mbps for downlink and 50 Mbps for uplink. Latency is a time delay for data transfer from the source to destination. The expected component is less than 1 milliseconds. The fourth parameter is mobility. It can be defined as the network ability to maintain the stable connection at high speeds. It supports up to 500 km per hour in 5G. The next one is connection density. That is the maximum number of devices per kilometer square that can be supported. Next parameter, energy efficiency, can be defined as efficient transmission of more data using less energy. Next one is the spectrum efficiency. It can be defined as the data throughput per unit of bandwidth. The expected component is 3 times better than the IMT 4G LTE. Next one is the area traffic capacity. It defines the maximum traffic that can be handled per square meter. The expected amount is 10 Mbps per meter square. The final component is reliability. It shows the 99.99% availability for mission critical application. Reliability can be defined as the probability of successful packet delivery within the time constraints. These are all the important technical specifications supporting for 5G. According to the standard, the frequency spectrum for balancing the coverage and capacity sub 6 GHz frequency is recommended, and for very high bandwidth ranges, millimeter wave applications, the 24 GHz and above frequency ranges supported, but it is limited the range coverage of limited distance coverage. Higher data rate, the peak data rate up to 20 Gbps, user experience data expected is 100 Mbps, latency less than 1 millisecond, and massive MIMO applications. Large antenna arrays will be used to improve the spectrum efficiency and the coverage using the 5G technology. This shows the 5G use cases. There are three main use cases defined by IMT 2020. EMBB, Enhanced Mobile Broadband. It is the speed internet access for smartphone applications, AR, VR and 4K video applications, etc. The second one is ultra reliable low latency communication. It is a crucial for real time and mission critical applications like autonomous vehicle and the remote surgery, etc. The third one is massive machine type communication. It supports the Internet of Things by enabling large number of low power and low data devices. Let me describe the detailed component of enhanced mobile broadband communication. So enhanced mobile broadband communication or application is one of the primary use cases of 5G, focusing on delivering the significantly faster data rate, high capacity and improved connectivity for mobile users. It enables seamless streaming, high speed downloads and support for data intensive applications. The key applications of eMBB ultra high definition and 4K, 8K video streaming. These are all the key features represented based on the application is represented here. It provides for ultra high definition, it provides buffer free video experiences with a higher resolution and quality. It supports immersive video content including live supports and concerts. The second application, cloud gaming and AR VR application. It enables real-time lag-free cloud gaming and mobile devices. It supports AR VR application for the entertainment purpose and education purpose and for other remote work, everything. The third application we considered as smart city and public safety. It facilitates high-speed connectivity for smart surveillance systems, enhances the emergency response system with real-time video and AI-driven analytics, remote work and collaboration, improve the video conferencing quality for remote workers, and it supports seamless file sharing and cloud application. The final application we have considered as IoT and smart home applications. It is faster and more reliable connectivity for smart home, and the users can experience the voice assistant, security cameras and IoT automation. Few key benefits of eMBB are high data rate up to 10 Gbps for enabling ultra fast download and uploads, latency less than 1 milliseconds for video calls or gaming purpose, and it support more number of simultaneous users in the crowded area, so that it can increase the capacity, ensure the consistent performance even in high mobility scenario such as when the passengers are traveling in train or car. It can give better connectivity. So reliable connectivity also one of the key benefits of eMBB. The second use case is ultra reliable low latency communication. URLLC is a 5G use case designated for mission critical applications that require ultra low latency, that is less than 1 milliseconds, we already know, and it gives a high reliability 99.99%. This is essential for applications where even a tiny delay or data loss can lead to serious consequences such as autonomous vehicle, remote surgery, industrial automation and smart grid applications. Smart grid control, for everything we can utilize the 5G technology. The key application of ultra reliable low latency communication is autonomous vehicle. It enables real-time communication between the self-driving cars and the traffic systems. There are a lot of sensors will be connected, and the sensors can communicate mutually. Okay. And next one is industrial automation allows the robots in factories to respond instantaneously to the commands and improving the efficiency. For the smart grid application, it ensures instant response to power fluctuation and preventing the blackouts. And the next one is with the help of the drone, how the emergency services can be provided, and for the public safety in that aspect, it enabled real-time control over the drone for disaster relief and search different applications. So this shows the key benefits of URLLC. Ultra low latency, that is for any crucial real-time applications less than 1 milliseconds delay is required. So it supports, obviously it supports high reliability 99.99% for mission critical task, seamless machine to machine communication or vehicular to vehicular communications. For example, the home applications mean various sensors or various devices can communicate with lesser delay. The final key benefit considered is reduced jitter and the packet loss for the uninterrupted performance. The third use case application is MMTC or massive machine type communication. It is one of the three primary service categories defined in IMT 2020 standard for 5G. It focuses on enabling the connectivity for a large number of low power, low cost devices that transmit small amount of data intermittently. This essential this is essential for the Internet of Things, where the sensors, meters and devices need to communicate without human intervention. And in industrial side, large scale industrial IoT applications during the manufacturing period or the maintenance period. So manufacturing and logistics, the 5G technology supports. The key applications of MMTC are smart cities, smart lighting, smart parking, waste management, traffic monitoring, etc. In smart agriculture field, soil moisture sensors, climate monitoring, automated irrigation, etc. In our upcoming video, we can look at how the 5G technology support for smart agriculture and what are all the challenges faced in smart agriculture, that we will discuss in upcoming video. Environmental monitoring, air quality monitoring and water pollution sensors, earthquake early warning systems, etc. can be implemented. And smart meters, automated electricity, gas and water meter reading, etc. we can monitor. And industrial IoT applications, asset tracking, condition of monitoring, predictive maintenance, everything can be performed with the help of this use cases. And then healthcare applications, wearable health monitoring and medication tracking systems also possible. The key benefits of MMTC: high device density, supports up to 1 million devices per kilometer square, low data rate per device, typically small or periodic transmission of information, low power consumption, devices are often battery operated for long life, scalability, it supports the massive number of connections simultaneously, and cost efficiency, simplified devices reduce the cost and energy usage. So this shows the 5G technology enabler, the core technology of enabling 5G performance and new use cases like EMBB, URLLC and MMTC. Unlike the previous generation, 5G uses advanced technologies like millimeter wave spectrum, massive machine MIMO communication, beamforming and network slicing, network function virtualization and software defined networking, cloud radio access, etc. Millimeter wave provide very high bandwidth but require dense network of small cells. And massive MIMO uses many antennas to improve the signal quality and capacity. Small cells, low power base station and enhanced coverage and spectrum reuse. And network function virtualization and software defined networking, for flexible efficient network management and enable network slicing. Cloud RAN, it centralizes baseband processing to reduce the cost and improve the resource allocation. Edge computing, it processes data near the user for lower latency and better use experiences. Let us summarize today's lecture. The 5G meets demanding requirements of high speed, low latency and massive device connectivity. It enables the advanced technologies like millimeter wave communication, massive MIMO, network function virtualization and software defined networking, edge computing, network slicing, etc. 5G is one of the transformative applications for various industries, manufacturing companies, and influence the smart agriculture, smart healthcare, smart city manufacturing, and more applications. For more application, the 5G supports lot in parameters. In our upcoming video, we can see everything. Thank you for watching this video. These are all the sources I have referred for this lecture.